And Josie goes with the pine cone. And Josie still has the pine cone. Josie! Josie! Oops, got stuck in the bush. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Ollie. Hey, Forrest. Oh, there she is, teasing the boys with the pine cone. She just dug her way into a bush. Oh, look at her. Smarty. Josie, your brothers don't even see you. Oops. Oh, now they decide to chase each other. Nope, she lost it. Uh-oh. Nope, he lost it. They don't know what they did with it. Oh, Ollie found it. Josie wants it back. Forrest is making a go of it. Oops. They got so excited they lost it again. Oh, and Josie found it. Oop. Good girl, Josie. That would be Josie, saying, "Leave my pine cone alone." Ooh. Josie. Josie. Good girl. Uh-oh. Good girl. Oh, you look so cute there. Let Ollie steals. Good girl. Oh, they're going to play tug of war, and she's going to hope to get it. And the chase is on. And Forrest will just run around. Just for fun. There comes Forrest. He doesn't need a pine cone to have fun. And they're hiding. Oh, Forrest, you got it. Forrest, you found the pine cone. Oops. Josie saw you got it. Oh, too cute. Oh, tug of war now. Oh, Forrest got it. least they've all had possession of it. See, they'll pretend that they don't want the pine cone. Josie knows all along it's there. Nope, she's going to pretend now, but she's still sneaking in. Oops, yes, I see you, Josie. I know what you're doing. I think your brother does too. Look at that. Oh, wag her tail and just stretch like she is not paying attention to that pine cone. Let's see if that works. Or she's going to find another one.